Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Azure Monitor for virtual machines, full guide step by step clearly. Start by signing into the Azure portal at portal.azure.com. Once logged in, navigate to the Azure Monitor service by searching for Azure Monitor in the search bar. In the Azure Monitor dashboard, click on the Virtual Machines option. Here, you will find an overview of all your virtual machines. Select the virtual machine you wish to monitor by clicking on its name. In the Virtual Machines Overview page, locate the Monitoring section on the left menu. Click on Insights to view monitoring options available for this VM. If you haven't already enabled monitoring, you will see a prompt to do so. Click the Enable button to activate Azure Monitor for this virtual machine. Once enabled, Azure Monitor will start collecting data related to performance and health. After a few moments, return to the Insights page to view metrics like CPU usage, disk performance, and network statistics. Take note of these metrics to understand your VM's performance trends. You can also set up alerts by clicking on the Alerts option in the left menu. Choose New Alert Rule to create your first alert. Select a condition that you want to monitor, such as high CPU usage. Define the criteria for the alert, like setting a threshold for CPU percentage. Next, specify the action group to determine who will be notified if the alert is triggered. You can create a new action group or select an existing one. Fill in the details for the action group, such as email addresses for notifications. Once done, finalize the alert rule by reviewing your settings and clicking Create. Now that your alerts are set up, consider configuring logs for deeper insights. Navigate back to the Azure Monitor dashboard and select Logs from the left menu. Here, you can run queries against the collected data. Utilize the Custo query language to filter and analyze logs effectively. Start by typing a sample query, like heartbeat, to check the status of your VM. Run the query to view real-time data about your VM's performance. For ongoing management, return to the Azure Monitor dashboard regularly. Review metrics, alerts, and logs to ensure your virtual machines are performing optimally. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.